Disclaimer, this video was made a while ago, like a month ago, but I'm just posting it now because I haven't been editing it. But hopefully you enjoy the video still. I made this when I had before my spring drop. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I will get back on track. Thank you guys for watching. How you doing today, YouTube? It's Jay, the 17-year-old owner of BigBandz Apparel, and today I'll be showing you guys a sample for my newest drop. Alright, today we'll be working on this piece and this piece. This one has a back, but this one's just a front design. And over here, it's gonna be in another video after this. So make sure to check that out, subscribe to the channel, and join the journey. But yeah, first thing I gotta do is measure out the designs. And once I'm done measuring out the designs, I'll meet you guys down there to cut it. These are the measurements for the shirts, the blue one, and the white one. Keep in mind this is for the small. I like this shirt the most, just like the layers. But I ain't show you guys how to layer it. So basically all I did was put this vinyl on first, then I put this one on. It's okay, it's not gonna mess nothing up. You just gotta make sure you cover this. What you guys gotta do is get one of these. Make sure you cover the first design. Cause like this, see this was like this, and I just had to get another one to cover this up. And then it just peeled off and it was good. And you got to push past your limits. I really like this design. As you see, it's a few little wrinkles, but it's all a journey. Gonna make mistakes. This is my first drop like this. All right, guys, I finished the shirts. The second one, you see, got the yellow design. Probably gonna make it a little bit bigger because it looks a little bit small and not how the mock-up is. But as you know, it's just a test, just a sample. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. It actually looks kind of nice, so make sure to go cop. It's gonna be on the website in a few days after this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining my journey. Subscribe and peace out.